demonstration of the display not turning on.
Check if the battery has power. Look at the battery's indicator lights. If there are no lights, or if the display still doesn't turn on after charging, use a voltmeter or multimeter to measure the battery voltage. Be sure to identify the positive and negative terminals correctly. If there is no voltage, or if it shows less than 40 volts even when fully charged, the battery is likely the issue. Check for oxidation on the battery terminals. In this example, the second battery clearly shows signs of oxidation. If there is oxidation, use a small blade to scrape off the rust. Lightly tap the battery to ensure the terminals are clean. Check the battery's discharge port for signs of corrosion. If found, clean it with a blade as well. If the display still doesn't turn on, move to the next level of diagnosis. Step 5. Check the circuit path from the battery to the controller and then to the display. Start by checking the connection between the display and controller. If any cables are loose or disconnected, Reconnect them and test the display again. If the display still doesn't respond, measure the voltage at the display connector. First, unplug the display cable. Use 2 metal pins like staples or paper clips. Scrape the surface with a blade to remove the coating and ensure conductivity. Insert one pin into pin 1, then insert the second into pins 2, 3, 4, and 5, one by one, to check for voltage. If one of the wires has no voltage, the main cable is faulty. If all wires show proper voltage, the main cable is fine. Step 6. If all else fails, the display unit may be defective and should be replaced.